Hello, this is Richard from Betterview Software and Services. I know a lot of people out there are using Gmail, and I want to show you an easy way to organize your emails and sort them into folders. Stay tuned. Okay, so we have Chrome loaded just to make things easier. Again, you can do this in any browser that you want. I'm going to go and load Gmail, though, directly from the browser. And if you're on a different browser, just type in mail.google.com, as you can see in the address bar up here, and that'll take you to the inbox. Now, I have something that happens a lot here, which is hotspot parking, and I want to make sure that all these go into a folder that I've created called receipts, because at the end of the year, I want to track how much money I've paid out in parking. So what I do is I select that one item, go to my triple dot menu here at the top, and what I want to do is filter messages like these. So once I do that, I've got the from receipt at hotspotparking.com up here, and I want to create a filter. So that creates a filter on all the email coming in. And what I want to do is apply the label, and I'm going to choose the label called receipts. There we are. And create filter. There we go. Simple as that. Now, every time a hotspot parking charge comes in, it is going to automatically forward it, and I can go into my labels here. As you can see, this one is on today, and I can go into my labels. Where are we? Hit the More button. Here's my receipts, and there's all the hotspot parking. So there we go. Simple as that. Oh, almost forgot to mention, if you want to see where your filters are, on your email, go to the gear icon for settings, see all settings, and here's filters and blocked addresses. So we go to filters, and here's the one that we just did here at the bottom. Matches from receipt at hotspot parking. Do this apply. And if we hit the edit button over on the side here, we can see the initial rule, or the filter, and then the rule that's applied to it. And there, of course, you can make changes and then hit the update filter. There we go. See you next time.